and sir.
Good day. You may sit in front.
Before we start, I would like you to meet Miss Kasapaw. She is the owner of our company and she will be with us during your interview for your standards and qualification criteria.
Good morning. You may now start.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Monique de la Paz Ayain. I am an strategic-minded general with a vision and insight to keep the company profitable, compliant, and financially lean. So I've worked hard over the years to create a diversified set of talents that allow me to deal with a wide range of circumstances, manage financial concerns as they arises, and also streamline processes so that everyone in the business benefits. And I take the position of general manager very seriously. I have the knowledge, business acumen, strategic vision, and confidence to assist you in reaching your objectives. If you appoint me as your general manager, I am confident that the work I do, the standards I set, and the results-oriented attitude I take in all on all of my projects and activities will have a significant and long-term financial impact.
Very well said, Miss Ayaen. So now let's proceed to the highlight of this interview. I know that you are aware that we have included in the requirements that you need to prepare a presentation discussing making a budget for the supplies and equipment.
For your information, we make that a special requirements. Since you will be working in the industry of food establishment in that way, we can be able to see if you can make a budget for the wholeness of a restaurant.
Are you prepared, Miss Ayaen?
Yes, sir. I was born ready. Without further ado, ma'am and sir, so let's start my presentation. Budgeting for the supplies and equipment of the restaurant. According to the restaurant owner, restaurant startup costs can range anywhere between 175,500 to 750,500. That's a lot of money, but how do you know exactly how much money you'll need with a lot of careful planning? Thanks to resulting profits margins, high operational expenses, and forced competition, one of the best things you can do to assure that your restaurant will eventually turn to a profit is to project your startup cost and projected ongoing expenses before applying for loans and financial assistance. In this post, you'll learn how to project the following costs for your restaurant to be. First is the startup cost. Fixed expenses, variable expenses, mixed expenses. Once you project each those expenses, you'll have the good idea or great idea on how it will cost you to open and operate your restaurant. Let's dive in. Let's talk about restaurant startup cost. While your startup cost will fluctuate depending on whether you decide to rent or own your retail space, renovation costs, which equipment you need more, and the things each restaurant needs to buy before opening their doors largely falls into these categories.
Very good presentation, Miss Ayaen.
That is very impressive of you to plan all that in just a snap.
You are one of a kind. Congratulations. We will surely call you back next week to start in our company.
Thank you very much, Mom and Sir. God bless you all.